Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is, well, I guess it's another like gift basket type thing, but it is one of my sister's birthday / she's going away to college. So I went to Target and spent a whole bunch of money and just tried to get her stuff to put together like a going off to college basket with some things that I know I used. I know my parents are getting her some stuff as well, so I tried to get more stuff that I found useful versus like the super basics, like, you know, everyone needs shampoo, conditioner, laundry detergent, so I tried to get some stuff that didn't necessarily fit into the everyone typically needs box, but I did get a lot of things. So I'll show it to you while we put it together. So you'll notice this thing back here. I can never remember what they're called. I don't think it has like an official name, but oh wait, this says it's a backrest. I can never remember what the name is, but it's one of those like pillows, so you can like put it on your bed and sit up against it. So I got Michael one of these in college and he absolutely loved it and thought it was super useful. So I thought this was good for like if she's doing homework in bed or watching a movie or something in her little dorm room. And then to go along with it, I got a big old laundry hamper. But as you can see, like it folds down, which is nice. So we're just gonna start putting stuff in this laundry hamper and I'll show it to you as I do it. So first thing I got is a 4-pack of tissues. I got the Toy Story 4 ones because I thought they're really cute. They have like Bo Peep and Forky and Woody and Buzz because you have some fun. But tissues are like so underrated. Like you can always use more tissues. You'll get sick inevitably. Your roommate will get sick. You won't have napkins and you'll need to clean something up. Like pretty sure I didn't use napkins freshman year and like just used tissues when I ate food because that's all I had in my room. So these will go in. Also, I'm hoping everything fits in this giant laundry basket. Okay, so next, some other big things. Oh my gosh. 24-pack of extra butter popcorn. Love popcorn. Popcorn is like a staple. Thought this would be good if she has like movie nights with her friends or late night snack. Super easy. All the dorms have microwaves. You can use your tissues as a napkin while you eat popcorn. Perfect. Some other biggish items. I got one of these when I went away to college. It's a 6-shelf hanging closet organizer. So as you can see, it like folds out into the closet. These are honestly a lifesaver because your dorm closet is so small and you'll have things you like actually want to hang. Whereas like you can throw like shirts and pants and shorts in here or whatever else you want. So I thought that would be good. And then also an over-the-door shoe organizer. These are really good for obviously shoes, but also like you can put little other things in here like jewelry and bags and stuff. So I wish you could get some good use out of that. And then another kind of big thing is this metal board. You can see it has like all these little holes in it. You can put like hang jewelry and stuff. So I know she has a bunch of jewelry, so I thought that'd be a fun way to display it, and that way it's on the wall. You can just hang it up with command strips, nice and easy. Since normally they don't let you drill holes in the wall. Another thing I got her were some washcloths, just like a 4-pack for like showering, but also like maybe doing dishes and stuff, or like using one as a little towel or something like that. Well, I mean, they are little towels, but using one is like to clean up as a little towel. Something else I got her, because this came in handy for me, is like a travel first aid kit. So it has a whole bunch of Band-Aids, sterile pads, cleansing wipes, antibiotic cream, more bandages. It's just good to have. You'll cut yourself inevitably, whether it's shaving or you'll be like me and try to go for a run and trip on the bricks and cut up your knee. I mean, it happens. Just don't exercise, clearly, is the answer. But then also, I just got her some ibuprofen, headaches, fevers, whatever it is. For some fun stuff, well, okay, it's all fun, I guess. But moving away from wait, I won't do the fun stuff yet. Okay, snacks, which is also fun. We got her this brownie brittle snack that just looked really good. And then I got these because I think they're great. They're like the one-person mug cakes. I got the s'mores cake and the funfetti cake. It's just fun when you want a little late night snack. Something different than the popcorn. Honestly, we're also doing pretty good in this basket so far. Oh, and then I also got these veggie chips because I think she likes veggie chips. It's like a healthy snack, okay? So, Mom and Dad, you can't get mad at me for giving her unhealthy snacks because that's healthy. Okay, so onto like the fun school stuff. I got her Secret Life of Pets coloring book because I know she likes to do arts and craftsy things. And I mean, coloring books are just so fun. So this basket is also for her. It's filled with all school stuff. So I got her this like pencil case. I mean, pencil cases are always useful. I thought this one was cute and even has like binder clips if she uses a binder, but it's just good to have in your backpack. You might need highlighters or pens or pencils, whatever it is, like in class. So it'll be just good to have. And then another holding device, I just got this little pencil or desk organizer just to sit on your desk. I got like a plastic one freshman year and I still use it. Like, it's just good to have to keep everything on your desk. Some more non-super fun stuff actually, but still good. A lint roller, highly recommend this. You'll probably have like interviews for internships or jobs in college, or like be interviewing for like a student organization or something. It's just really good to like quickly roll your clothes or your arm, actual arm, I guess, if you want. No, to like roll your clothes and stuff. And then coldies, because I swear by them whenever I get a cold, and inevitably when you go to college with a bunch of other people, you'll get sick. And then tissues for your backpack, because if it gets cold in the winter or you get sick, you'll want to blow your nose. So I'll just throw these in. Yeah, we can put that in there. All right, that's good enough. Okay, back to the fun things. So I love letters, so I was hoping maybe she'd write me some letters or her friends letters with these super cute like food themed cards, like greeting cards. I just thought they were really cute. It's fun to like write your friends at school and stuff too. I got her just some basic pens to use for like notes or anything. These are just good to like keep in your backpack too. Pre-sharpened number 2 pencils for exams. A pack of erasers, because inevitably that pencil is going to run out of an eraser. Oh, okay, so I guess this could be like part of the coloring book, but just for fun, crayons and markers. Those will be fun to like play with, or maybe you'll need them for a project, who knows. And then some highlighters and some Sharpies too. And then a pencil sharpener for your pencils. And then just some stationery stuff, I guess. So some Post-it notes and these office supplies, which I thought were so cute. It was this like giant paper clip. So that is, and then obviously the tote. And then the backrest thing, which I might steal. Just kidding, I'm not gonna steal it. But it looks really comfy. I can't get it. Yay! It's just like so soft and furry. Well, anyways, hopefully that gives you some ideas. If you know someone who's going away to college, it's a very exciting time and there's a lot of stuff to buy. But hopefully this wasn't too much stuff and she uses it all and has a lot of fun. So hopefully you guys liked this little gift basket video, and honestly, I'm just about to put this bucket in here. It'll fit on top nicely with all the school supplies, just like that. And, well, actually it's stuck on something. Anyway, it fits in nicely, just like that, with all the school supplies. I'll put them in a minute. And it's just a fun little way to give her everything. And then she can use these totes too. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this as well, gave you some ideas. And if you are going to college, good luck, enjoy it, have fun. and I will see you guys soon with another video. Bye!